Santa Margherita Ligure. Yeah, we're going to the beach. It's gonna be a beach day. We'll come. Let's walk. Okay, so we at the beach now. Yeah, I'm glad that it's not as crowded as I was thinking it's gonna be, but hard. I don't think it's fresh. I mean, it might be fresh, but maybe they made it like super early in the morning. I forgot to do my underarms actually. It's not so much, it's just a bit, but I mean, I was doing my, you know. The amount of boats I have, look at it. Look at them. They're all mine. Oh, there is a boat tour over there. Yeah, but I don't think so. We're gonna do that. No, that's not the boat. That's just like this. That's not the boat. That's just like the. He's waving at us. We're gonna have a mini lunch now. Due.
Buona giornata.
Bar here. We got some snacks. And this is the last glass of limoncello spritz. I promise, I swear. No more limoncello spritz. Trying to breathe it and be sexy, but I just we're gonna go back to Milan.
Ciao, Portofino.
No, this is not Portofino.
Ciao.
Portofino.